You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Friday, the 19th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather noticeably colder today. We'll have the sun back in full force, and Christmas week still looking very mild for the latter part of December. Let's begin this morning with the upper air look. That's that big trough right there that brought the active showers and a few storms to the state last night. That's moving on to the east. In the wake of that, we have a drier air mass in place. That's the radar composite early this morning, showing nothing. The rain is long gone. It's going to be a dry pattern for a while. Temperatures are coming down. We've got 30s for the northwest part of the state, 40s down to Montgomery, 50s for the southern counties. Highs today will range from the upper 40s over North Alabama to near 60 for the southern counties. Here's a look at the watch warning map for travelers. We're getting to a busy travel season here. We've got wind advisories for the northeast U.S., also for parts of the northern Rockies, and a few scattered winter weather advisories up north. Here's the severe weather outlook today. There is a marginal risk around Philadelphia and for much of New Jersey down toward Delaware. Kind of a low-end threat there in advance of that front this morning. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder around Seattle. Nothing severe. And on day 3, Sunday, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. Rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. Not much here at all. The really big numbers out west, California, western Washington, Oregon, the Sierra Nevada mountains in California. Some huge amounts of snow there, but here it's just going to be dry for a while. And understand there could be a day or two with isolated showers late this weekend or next week. But again, meaningful rain just not expected. If you missed it, this is the new drought monitor released yesterday. This product comes out once a week, every Thursday. And notice we have drought conditions now that's kind of extended north up into parts of the Tennessee Valley. Of course, we had some fairly decent rain last night, but again, pattern looks pretty dry for a while. So model fans, here we go. European OZ run, 3 o'clock today. Trough rotating through the northeast United States. Alabama, sunny, colder. Temperatures down about 10 to 15 degrees from yesterday. Again, highs range from the upper 40s over the Tennessee Valley to near 60 across South Alabama. Tomorrow, many spots could see a light freeze to start today over North Alabama. But a big warm-up. Highs exceeding 60 from Birmingham south for the Tennessee Valley. Highs in the upper 50s. Sunday, we might mention a small chance of a shower over west and southwest Alabama, but most of the state dry. A mixture of clouds and sunshine. Again, upper 50s for the Tennessee Valley. Low to mid-60s elsewhere. Pretty much the same thing on Monday. Isolated showers for the western half of the state. Most locations dry. Highs upper 50s and low 60s. Tuesday, looking rain-free. Highs well up in the 60s, maybe near 70 for South Alabama. Wednesday, Christmas Eve. It's going to be very mild. Highs will reach 70 or higher from Interstate 20 south. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston south. Tennessee Valley, upper 60s. We might see some mid-70s for the southern counties of the state. And the same thing on Christmas Day, dry and mild. We start the day early Thursday morning, upper 40s and low 50s. A cool morning, but we really warm up quickly with highs exceeding 70 for most of the state. How about that for Christmas Day? Upper 60s for the Tennessee Valley. And this is a week from today, Friday, December 28th. Got that upper high over the Gulf, the ridge nosing near from the south. And again, moisture increases slightly, and there might be a few little spotty, isolated showers. Nothing widespread, and again, upper 60s and low to mid-70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, December 28th. And a trough is kind of developing over the eastern states. That will bring temperatures down, but still really no meaningful rain here. We just don't see any big, significant rain event for the next 10 days. And quite frankly, all the way out to the first of the year. Here's a look at rain for the next 15 days coming off the GFS Ensemble, the AI version. The mean is about 1 inch between now and the 2nd of January. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. 49 today, highs around 60 for the weekend and Monday. Mid-60s Tuesday, and look at the numbers creeping up. Christmas Day, 71 showing up here. Wow. South Alabama, maybe mid-70s. Tennessee Valley, upper 60s. And then temperatures come down a little bit by Monday the 29th with highs in the upper 50s. Latest long-range guidance, the 26th of December through the 1st of January. And again, temperatures above average over much of the contiguous United States. Pretty fierce little line of storms coming into the shoals last night. This is at US 72 and US 43, just south of Tuscumbia. Watch the power flash, and the power goes out at that intersection. Straight line winds, pretty gusty there. And on a windy night, old Santa Claus just took a ride. Wow. That's somewhere in Jasper. We hope Santa found his way back because he's got a lot of work to do here in the next week or so. And a quick peek at Andalusia. Their tree always looking good at Candyland there, Covington County. So that's it today. Again, we're starting to wind things down. A couple of housekeeping notes. Of course, no school programs until next year. The next week, I will be on vacation. Of course, the weather never takes a break. We know that. I've been doing this for a long time. But to watch these videos, they will be running on the Alabama Weather Network. They'll be done by my colleagues, Drew McCombs, Bill Murray, and that group. And if you are watching these on the social channels, just follow the Alabama Weather Network. You'll see these videos there. And I will be back. Let's see. When will I be back? I'll be back on Monday, the 29th of December. How about that? But things look nice and quiet next week. But I'll do one more video here, of course, this afternoon. Catch me this evening on ABC 3340 and every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, 98.7 KISS. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.